This is the hair dryer. It's, in my opinion, pretty basic, but I feel like it does the job and it suits my needs. So it's a really compact shape. It does just have the high and the low setting. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second, and then just plugs in. And then here's the high setting. And then here's the low setting. But just a 360 view of what it looks like. And then the cord, I would say I'm probably at least a foot away from my bathroom counter. And so I'd say the cord's about 3 feet or so.